Hello, another video, 2 in a row. I was going to do some maintenance on my car because my light has stopped working. And I was thinking maybe I should do a follow-up video on my radio, the Jetson that I have. A follow-up, tips or tricks, Q&A, whatever you like to call it. The video was starting because I have voice activated commands. So when I say, for example, open navigation, it will open my navigation. So when I said radio, it will start the radio. So sorry for that. I get a lot of questions, so let's start with the obvious one. How do you get this one open? What tools do you use? I use this tool. It didn't come in the box. Like I said, it's a plastic tool, car tools. You can Google it on AliExpress. It's maybe $3-4, and then you start over here, and then you take it off, and with the socket wrench again you have to disassemble those screws, and then you can also take this off. I'm going to do this very slowly, and then I'm going to get to the second question I get asked a lot, and that is about that cable that I mentioned that was too short. It's this cable, this one, the white one, and the extra cable that I ordered, you can see it's very large, it's about 1 meter or 2. It's necessary to connect this short cable from the radio to your console. I get that question a lot, and the first thing I always say is, when you open the door, do you see this kind of image? If not, you don't have that cable connected properly, and this console also won't work. So I've removed the excess cable, and now you can really see that this is the cable from the car, and then the orange one goes all the way up to the radio so that it connects properly. And when you connect that cable, this should happen. So how is everything else? Well, the system is almost 2 years old and I don't have any real problems with it. Everything is still working. Maybe it's a bit slower than before, but it gets the job done. Still works. Like I said, voice command, open navigation. It opens the navigation. Steering controls still work. So yeah, no real problems there. This is also still working. You see this. One thing I had a problem with is with my 4G. Sometimes it doesn't get reception, and then there is a button here. You have to use a paperclip, and then it will restart the system. But otherwise, it's still very responsive, very fast. And yeah, I have 0 complaints. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section like always, and I will try to answer them all. And wait for the next video until I'm trying to fix that light again. See you.